Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can create an account on Genshin Impact on your PC. Now to do that, first thing is open a browser and then click open new tab. You can use any browser for this. Once you open the browser, on the search bar, you type in genshin.houyoverse.com and press enter. This will open the official web page of Genshin Impact. What you need to do is you need to go and click on this home icon over here. Click that. This will redirect you to the another page, and there you need to click on login. So once you're at this page, you need to go and click on register now over here. Click that, which will open this section. Now to create, you need to provide all this information. You can create your account through Google, Apple, Facebook and Twitter as well. This will link your Genshin Impact account with the social media platform. But we're going to go with the email process. Type in the email address. Then below you need to click on send over here, where Genshin Impact will send you a verification code to the email address. Click on that. The code has been sent. Now you need to open a new tab and open a Gmail on there. Now there's the code for the verification. You just need to copy this code from here. Click on copy and paste it on this text box. Type and paste. Now you type in the password. Re-enter the same password as above. Then you need to click on this checkbox over here. I have read and agreed to the terms of services. Then you click on register. And just with that, you will have yourself an account over here. There's the account of yours. So this is a way how you can easily create an account on Genshin Impact. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe to WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.